remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central and East Central Alabama.
Excuse me?
Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the Anniston and Gadsden listening areas. Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this
Excuse
evening.
me?
Then mostly
You're
cloudy
supposed to
with a
tone
chance
it.
of showers and thunderstorms. The following counties in Alabama: Chambers,
What is this thing doing? Okay.
Jefferson, Shelby, Talladega, and Tallapoosa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 223 has been issued from 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Chambers, Clay, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, Talladega, and Tallapoosa. The Anniston climate